Okay, just now we have get the key code. So now we will use this to make a temporary key. First, we will take the key arrow out. We will put the key arrow to the right place. We will take 2. This is 1 to here. This is the key arrow 1. Then we will take another 2, key arrow 2. Put here. It is 2. Take another 2 to number 3. Here. Okay, take another 2 to number 4. Okay, now we can see that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, now we take the key, use the screwdriver to lose it. Okay, take it out, put here. Now we can see that just now we have get the key code. So we will put the right key arrow to the right place. First we will put this one, number 4. So we will take number 4, put in. Okay, the second one is 1. We'll take number 1 here, put in. Okay, the third one is 4. Take another 4 here, put in. We must make sure it's in the right position so we can put it in. Okay, put it in. Okay, and that one is 3. Take the 3. 1. Okay. This one. 1. Take the 1 here. We must put carefully. Okay. Put it in. Okay, last one is 3. 3. Take another one. Put it in the right place. Make sure careful. Okay. All the arrow put in. And okay. Put back here. Make sure deep inside. Deep inside. And then use the screwdriver. You can see. Make sure tightly. Okay, now we have finished the temporary key. Put it in. We can see magic things. Turn left. Open. We can see clearly. It's open. We will try the lock of the boot. Put it in. We need to turn right. Okay. Just now I have explained how you can use our product. Every time we use, you must make sure to take it carefully. Hope you will like our tools. Thank you very much.